Today you're going to learn about loops in C++. I'm LinusCSGOAT and I'm going to show you. So how exactly do loops in C++ work? So basically we have these long loops which are called for loops. And what we're going to do with our loops is, let's say we want to do a loop that's going to calculate factorial. What we're going to do is we're going to take an integer which we're going to call this integer 1. We're going to say we're going to keep on going until this I is going to be 5. And then we're going to add 1 to our I each time. And then, sorry, I++ is more efficient, whatever. So, what we're going to do, guys, what this is essentially doing is that when we do this, we're gonna say, nah, int x equals 1. What we're going to do is every single time we're going to multiply x by I, and what this is going to do is it's going to end up calculating 5 factorial, which is 120. So we're going to quickly see that do its work here. Bet. Okay. But now you guys might be asking me, but Linus, what happens if we skip the even numbers? And that's actually a cool question. When you modify loops, you can have this thing here, which is like your modifying thing. This thing is the boundary, and this thing is like where you start. And so you can say you're just gonna only do the odd ones. So now we're gonna get 1 times 2 times 5, which is 15. And sure enough, we get 15. So as you can see, guys, this is how loops work. This stuff right here, this is called the int I whatever part. That's like the initialized part. The I is less than or equal to 5. That's like the boundary part. And this here is the update part. And then what we do in the loop is what we do. So anyway, I hope this sort of explained loops, and have a good day and fuck off.